Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Tabby Card. First, download the Tabby app from your device's app store. Next, create your account using your email and phone number. You will then need to verify your identity with a valid government-issued ID. Finally, link your preferred bank account or debit card to complete the initial setup process. This ensures smooth transactions and easy payment management. Your initial spending limit with Tabby is determined by their assessment, often starting around a few hundred units of local currency. This limit can increase over time with responsible usage and consistent, timely payments. Tabby typically splits your purchases into 4 interest-free installments. Remember, the first payment is usually due at the time of your purchase, so be prepared for that initial amount. To make your first purchase, simply shop at any participating online or in-store retailer. When you reach checkout, select Tabby as your preferred payment method. Before confirming, carefully review your personalized payment schedule to understand the installment amounts and due dates. Always ensure you have sufficient funds available for the first installment, which is typically due immediately. Managing your Tabby account is straightforward through the app. Regularly monitor your payment schedule to stay on top of upcoming due dates. We highly recommend setting up automatic payments to avoid any missed installments and potential fees. If you have any questions or encounter issues, do not hesitate to contact Tabby's dedicated support team. Also, explore the app for exclusive offers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.